On August 8, Gangnam and its surrounding districts were pelted with a historic downpour, resulting in massive flooding. According to reports, 7 people lost their lives, and 6 people were missing from the flood. According to insurance reports, over 1,000 cars were submerged in the floodwater, as the rain destroyed property, subway stations, and businesses. Although the tragedy seemed devoid of any silver linings, one netizen's post on an online community proved love can be found anywhere, even during a flood. A netizen's post about having to traverse the flood with his blind date has gone viral. The netizen stated he was on a blind date when the floodwaters started rising. Drenched from the rain and fearing for their safety, the newly met strangers checked into a hotel room. In the hotel room, the 2 strangers got cleaned up and shared their life stories with one another. The netizen further added that he hoped she felt the same way about their date as he did. A nosy netizen asked the author of the post if they did it, to which the netizen replied like a gentleman. Hopefully, the netizen will be able to leave that review. Read the full translation of the post below.